A tour of my jungle garden. That's what I call, because I do not clean the weeds. I have learned to live with nature, and I just do my gardening in the midst of the wheat. These are Asian gourd or kodu or lao. You can see they are coming out prolifically. This is one kind of melon I just extracted. This is just part of the harvest I got today. This is shosha or large cucumber. This one grew a little bit older, but these are good to eat. All of these are foot-long beans. These are kind of Asian melon, very tasty to eat. And here is a glimpse how I exist with nature, and they're growing with the weeds. I do not clean up the weed. They're growing in the middle of the wheat, and they're giving me all the fruits. And let me show you the magic. Here is more cucumber coming. The main magic is when you go to the main area of my garden. Here I can hardly enter because I let them grow like a jungle. Here, if you look at, you cannot take your step without stepping on the fruit, mainly the cucumber. See, this is a ripe cucumber. This is partially ripe cucumber. Cucumber everywhere. You cannot even take a step without stepping on them. So, as you can see, they're growing in the middle of all the weed. I don't clean the weed. I have learned to work with the weed, and you can see big cucumbers everywhere. See, these are Asian spinach. Again, these are Asian melons growing. No matter where you look, they're very prolific, they're very healthy. And here, I made a new bed. As you can see, in between the weed, they're coming out. This is another bed. I put these branches, old branches, to protect them from wind when they're little babies. There is another patch coming out, and they will grow out just like these. And they grow in between the weeds and the grass. So I don't have to eliminate anyone. I do not use any kind of herbicides or anything. They just grow. And I just go in between the jungle and extract my desired vegetable or fruit. And they're extremely tasty. They have a natural taste. And they're healthy, they're wonderful. And here's my extracted thing for today. Actually, I have more, I'll show you. These are just on the ground.